Hey y'all, Fuzzy Biker here on the hot rod Himalayan right there. About 150 miles on it already today. Just had a ball, a bunch of gravel, a bunch of pavement, a little bit of interstate, a little bit of interstate. It will go 85 miles an hour on the interstate. I was just absolutely blown away. And it'll hold about 80, 75 to 80, pretty constant. I'm down at, it says Touchdown Grill. We're going to meet up with some buddies here and we're going to go in there and have some chow. But what a fun bike that has been. You know, it's really bringing back a whole bunch of good memories. I had one of these and I just loved it. And I really am missing it as of today. I'm really missing it a lot. Royal Enfield Himalayan 411, the air-cooled one, the original one. What a great motorcycle. Thank you, Baxter Cycle, for lending it to me. Wahoo!